sous vide market is expected to exhibit a compound annual growth rate of over 5% from 2024 to 2032. Hi, I'm John Franklin, West Coast and South Central Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Sous vide, which means under vacuum in French, refers to the process of vacuum sealing food in a bag, then cooking it in a water bath for a long time in order to get it to a very precise lower temperature. The final product is consistent, ready to eat, with minimal preparation and tastes delicious. We are now shipping another Lyco state-of-the-art sous vide cooking and cooling line, which brings us to over 80 systems running on packaged products. These systems are proven, going all the way back to 1989, and that unit is still running today. Let's have a quick review of the system's features. Product enters the machine via a water-cushioned in-feed and is totally submerged in water. Product is augered through the rotary drum cylinder. Lyco's patented HydroFlow technology ensures 100% uniform treatment and handles product gently as it works its way through the machine, resulting in uniform cooking and cooling. Product is discharged out of the heating unit onto a transfer belt where it can be checked for temperature before entering the cooling unit. Lyco systems are typically much smaller and take up less floor space than traditional belt or tank systems. And as a result, we can fit more product per foot in a smaller area in the cylinder. Lyco has a 10,000 square foot testing facility to help customers develop their own specific sous vide processing needs. So, if you have any sous vide processing equipment needs, please give us a call at 920-623-4152 or visit us on our website at www.lycomfg.com.